I'm going to show you some auto detailing I did with Steam, specifically dirty car floor mats. To do this, we're going to be using the Mekulik MC1385, so let's jump right in. This is just going to be a quick video like my last, steam cleaning sticky cup holders. Although I shook out most of the dust, I'm just using a simple shop vacuum to get the rest of it out. Hopefully your floor mats won't be this dirty, but if they are, have no fear because the steam is here. I like to try and loosen up the tough stains by just blasting them with steam for a few seconds. You'll be amazed how much you can loosen things up with just the jet nozzle. If you're interested in purchasing the steam cleaner used in this video, go ahead and click the link in the description, head on over to Amazon and get one today. There is already a huge difference. Now I am going to start giving it a good scrub with this round scrub brush attachment. For the most part, you really can get up a lot of stains just using the attachments included with the Mekulik MC1385. I won't lie, there will definitely be some cases where you will have to use some form of a cleaning product to remove the really tough stains. I recommend periods of scrubbing and wiping up the excess moisture that will start to build up in the floor mats. Fortunately, you won't have to worry about too much water accumulating because of how thin floor mats tend to be. Just watch to see how much dirt was in this little section of this floor mat. The steam helps to lift the stains and make for an easy pickup with a towel. Guys, have a look at this before and after. I was able to turn this dirty floor mat into a much cleaner, sanitized, and now odorless part of the car. Let's check out another floor mat. I'm repeating the same exact process as before, vacuuming all the dirt out first in order to minimize the buildup of dirty water. There was all kinds of gunk on this floor mat, so it took a little bit of work, but just wait until you see the finished product. As you're steaming, you're going to be smelling all kinds of different odors from the stains. I recommend holding the steam there until you no longer smell anything. This will ensure a sanitized and deodorized surface. The MC1385 reaches up to 58 psi, which makes blasting away gunk and grime a breeze. The scrub brush attachment is perfect in that it isolates the steam, gets deep into the carpet fibers, and effectively finishes the job. With one final wipe up with the microfiber towel, just have a look at what can be done. This time we have an amazing difference, and you can do the same for you and your customers too. Steam cleaning has changed the game, and when it comes to auto detailing, makes a huge impact on your arsenal of cleaning tools. So thanks for watching everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you'd like to see here at Steam Clean Renew.